Gardening in dry shade may be challenging, but it can be done. Choose your plants carefully, and that dry, shady spot under trees, overhangs, or on shady slopes can be just as beautiful as your full sun open spaces. Here are our top suggestions for dry shade. Some varieties of perennial geraniums are especially tolerant of dry shade. Take a look at Geranium Biocovo, which was the 2015 Perennial Plant of the Year, or Geranium Ingwerson's variety, which received the Royal Horticultural Society Award of Garden Merit. Perennial geraniums spread slowly and are easy-to-grow plants with dainty flowers and attractive, deeply cut leaves. Ajuga grows practically anywhere except in very wet soil. It spreads quickly to form a short, thick carpet that can even stand up to foot traffic. Its short spires of intense color last from late spring into summer. Long blooming and deer and rabbit resistant, it's the perfect solution for any shady spot where it has room to spread. Hosta ranks among the most useful shade plants around. They're grown primarily for their handsome leaves, which can be green, blue, yellow, or variegated. Available in a multitude of sizes and textures, they thrive in virtually any shady environment, even in the deep shade of trees. Plant hellebores up close where you can enjoy their stunningly beautiful flowers, which are among the earliest to bloom in spring. While hellebores tolerate dry conditions, avoid putting them in full sun with dry soil. They are easy to grow, low-maintenance delights. Lamium offers great rewards with little effort. A rapidly spreading ground cover, it quickly forms a beautiful, dense carpet. Depending on the variety, leaves can be green, golden, or variegated. Lovely purple, pink, or white flowers last from late spring into summer. Give it some shade and it will tolerate dry conditions nicely. While most ferns love moisture, a few varieties, like Dryopteris, tolerate dry conditions once they're established. Their lacy foliage adds beautiful texture to the garden. Consider the aptly named Brilliance Autumn, which turns a coppery red in fall. Woodland Phlox ushers in spring with a glorious mass of intense color. Once established, it will accept dry shade conditions in rock gardens, around foundations, or as an edging plant or ground cover. Mildly fragrant, it's a favorite of butterflies and gardeners alike. These are a handful of the best options for dry, shady areas. For more suggestions, click the More Plants for Dry Shade link below. And for more ways to make gardening easy, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.